So today I lost big time. Good morning. Welcome to Wrenchettes. When I only work on beautiful cars like the G. Actually, not the G. A BMW. What?
F30 M5. No, I'm lying.
F30 M5.
E46 330 XI.
Yes, better life as well. McDonald's time. This is like a must if you're going to the junkyard. You gotta get them sugar levels up. Okay, so we stopped for a little bit of air. This M5 doesn't have air. I think it's this tire or the one in the back. I don't know. They all look the same to me.
Yeah, here's a quick update. He's still wasting time. Look. We left at 7 in the morning. We still haven't done anything. Here he comes. So yeah, what were you doing?
I was blowing the hose.
I told you. He's been wasting time all day.
I was wondering, when I'm in the junkyard, every single one of these cars were brand new at one point in their lives, and look at where they're standing now. That just only leads me to believe that nothing in the world really matters, but only the soul. Material things come and pass, as you see right here. Look at that. Insane. Okay, so today was a sedan Infiniti G35 day because there was no coupe nowhere, and I went to Hazleton and I went to Pennsburg, and they had Infinitis, but they only had sedans, no coupes. So today I lost big time. Okay, here it is. I like those trucks. I mean, look at that. Junked. We have that one too. It looks to be in good shape. Has everything intact. The bumper, everything. But here's the goodie. What I will take is what I took off. Is the grill and the fog lights cover. Today I lost, but another day I will win. Till next time, guys.